Hey guys, you're watching Alexa, and in today's video I'm going to be clearing out the top shelf of that closet right there with the water tank. I'm also going to be doing my costume jewelry and my hair accessories. And the reason why I've chosen these subcategories is because I'm going to work later today, and I just wanted to show you that it is still possible to do things even though you have a busy day. For example, if you have work, you can choose a kind of micro or a subcategory to clean up on. That way you can make advancements on days where you cannot full-fledged spend a whole day purging. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see me declare next. Some of the things on the agenda are my shoe collection and also my PR stash, which unfortunately is going to have to be done by parts probably, just because it is ridiculous. Like, maybe I'll do hair care products and then skincare and then makeup. I don't know. Leave me your suggestions down below and let's get in today's video. Today I want to tackle this area. I would also like to tackle what is left of my costume jewelry and perhaps even my jewelry, because this is what is left so far. However, there are other places like this box right here and other areas in the living room which house random pieces of costume jewelry that I don't really use. And the other thing I'd really like to do are my hair accessories, which I have elastics and hair clips here, but I have another box that's full of like ribbons, headbands, etc., etc. This is actually quite a bit of stuff. I forgot that I wanted to also go through kind of the boxes that my electronics came in, because a lot of them are things I'm not going to return that I've used so many times, like my Canon 60D. And as for the G3X, I've thought about selling that and I've tried to, and I think I might list it for a cheaper price. It's actually the camera I'm using to film this video now. I mean, it's a lot of stuff, including my filming light and sheets and everything. I think we can sort this out a little better. Now, for you to get an idea of how much space is up here, it's a lot. It's all dusty right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a nice wipe down. After disposing of my tripod, boxes, and things that I just knew I wasn't gonna use anymore, like I had made this DIY white box a long time ago and I just never use it, and I don't intend to because I just like the background of things in my photos anyways, because I'm not like a store. I don't need to make product photos in that way. But yeah, anyways, you get the picture. All of the camera boxes are collapsed and put into here, because if I ever do sell them, I'll sell them with the camera bag as opposed to the actual original box. As for manuals, you can find all that crap online. You don't need to keep that in your house. Now I only have pillows, my duvet, my spare sheets and duvet cover, a empty luggage, might I add, the lamp bowl for my lamp, which I repurposed one of the tripod boxes to keep the lamp stand in there for now. And yeah, it's so nice to know that I could fit more stuff in there, but I don't need to. Alright guys, so that took longer than I thought it would, but this is all of the costume slash whatever jewelry was in my bookshelf. That's all that I'm keeping. There is some more like real jewelry in this box here, but it's nothing substantial. And the only things that I'm keeping aside is this costume necklace here, and a few things in here that mom should look at, because they're either things I borrowed from her or things I think she might want to look at before I get rid of. I'm going to transfer all of these items in here except for my Fossil watch. This is the bag that I'm getting rid of, not counting the things that are going in the trash because some things are rusted over. So just a quick note, I was about to throw away some of my favorite earrings. They're costume jewelry as well, and as you can see, the pair right here has green marks on it, and this one doesn't have any at all. I just used a bit of toothpaste, a bit of water, and scrubbed them, and then dried them immediately with a microfiber cloth, and that's how I got this one to look so clean. So I haven't cleared up the donation pile from the last time I cleared out my bags and the back of my door, but I'm going to add this on. That is the hair stuff, and so far the recycling is growing, and that little black bag there is garbage. But so far here's everything sorted. I have 3 necklaces that are too large or kind of awkward shaping to fit in here. But I put a couple of large necklaces, a couple of thin necklaces. I've got this row free, this spot free, and these 2 spots free. But everything fits just very nicely. Like, do I really need more than 7 pairs of costume earrings? No, but they are here nonetheless. And the other side is completely empty, except for this kind of strange necklace, which I thought was really cool. For the time being, I'm going to put this in with the hair accessories that I have here. And I'll put my candle back, but I think I'll just put it like that. And the watch should fit right here. So that's my temporary solution to just have less eyesores on my dresser. There we go. So after heaps of boxes, finally I've gotten through all those small knickknacks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see decluttered next. And you can follow me on social media via Alexa Likes. And it'll be a double S on social media platforms such as Snapchat and Twitter and Facebook. Bye!